Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet table cover designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet table cover design is a decorative handmade covering created by interlocking yarn or thread with a crochet hook to fit over a table. It is both functional and artistic, adding beauty, texture, and charm to your table setting, perfect for everyday use or special occasions. A crochet table cover or tablecloth is made using different stitch patterns and motifs to form a lace-like or solid fabric that drops over the table. It can cover the entire tabletop, just the center, a table genre, or act as a small trolley for accent decor. Common crochet table cover styles, lace or trolley style, made with fine thread and small hooks, gives a delicate, elegant, and vintage look. Granny skirt styles, created by joining multiple colorful crochet skirts for cozy, vibrant, and homey feel. Floral or motif designs, each section feature flower patterns or leaf shapes, perfect for cottage or farmhouse style decor. Round table covers, circular patterns work for the center outward, beautiful for dining on tea tables. Rectangular or oval designs, ideal for long dining tables or console tables. Modern minimalist crochet uses neutral colors, simple stitches, and geometric patterns, perfect for a cleaner, modern home style. Decor ideas, use white or cream lace crochet covers for a vintage or cottage look. Choose bright colors for a bohemian or festive vibe. Layer a crochet genre over a plain fabric cloth for added contrast. Add crochet coaster or placemats to match the table cover. Here are more tips for designing and using crochet table covers to make your table look stylish, cozy, and unique. First, choose the right size. Make sure the table cover fits your table shape. Round, square, or rectangular. Let it drop slightly over the edge, 6 to 12 inches is ideal for a balanced look. Next, pick a pattern that matches your decor. Vintage or cottage style, use lace or pineapple motifs in white or cream. Modern or boho style, use geometric or colorful granny skirts. Floral theme, use motifs with flowers or leaves for a delicate touch. Mixed textures, layer a crochet table cover over a plain linen or cotton cloths for contrast. Add crochet placemats or coasters in matching or complementary patterns. Choose the right thread or yarn, fine cotton thread for delicate lace. Medium weight cotton or cotton blend yarn for sturdier, everyday table covers. Use mercerized cotton for shine and durability. Add decorative edging, uses scalloped peacock or wings edged to make the design more elegant. Borders can transform a simple pattern into a statement piece. Play with color, classic, use white, cream, or beige for a timeless look. Bright and fun. Use pastel, bold colors, or multicolor granny squares. Incorporate motifs, flowers, leaves, hearts, or geometric shapes can be crocheted individually and joined to form the table cover. Motifs allow for custom sizing. Perfect Your Table is an unusual shape. Care and maintenance. Hand washed in cold water or use gentle machine cycles for delicate covers. Block the finished base to maintain its shape. Iron lightly on a low setting if needed. Use a layer. Layer a crochet table cover over a solid colored cloth for texture and depth. Place a small centerpiece like flowers, candles, or bowls to highlight the crochet design. Repurpose creatively. Use a small crochet toilets as placemats or coasters. Fold a table cover as a decorative runner on a sideboard. Combine multiple small crochet discards to create a unique patchwork table cover. Match your table shapes. Round table. Use circular crochet patterns or toilets. Rectangular tables. Use rectangular or runner style designs. Scar tables. Use scar motifs or running scars joined together. Combine patterns. Make solid stitches with open lace work for texture. Alternate motifs, flowers, geometric shapes, shells to make the design more interesting. Play with layering. Place a crochet table cover over a plain fabric cloth to highlight the lace patterns. Layer smaller tiles on top of a large tablecloth for a layered, dimensional look. Decorative edged, scalloped, shell, picot, or fringed edged. Add elegance and softness. Color the edge differently for subtle contrast that draws the eye. Color combination. Classic whites, creams, or beige for a vintage look. Pastels or soft shades for cottage-style kitchens. Use bold, multicolored patterns for boho or modern tables. Use motifs creatively. Crochet individual flowers, stars, or geometric shapes and join them for a custom design. Create patterns that match seasonal themes like autumn leaves or spring flowers. Add functional decor. Use the table cover as a base for centerpieces, vases, candles, or bowls. Stand out beautifully on crochet patterns. Use a smaller crochet coaster or placemats to protect the table while staying stylish. Mix textures. Combine fine waist thread with slightly thicker yarn for contrast and dimension. Layer crochet pieces of different sizes for a cozy handcrafted vibe. Custom sizing. Measure your table carefully to ensure the table cover drops evenly. Consider adding extra motif for longer tables or cutting smaller motifs for small coffee tables. Seasonal touches. Changes colors or motifs with the seasons. Soft pastel flowers for spring, warm oranges and browns for fall. Mix with other fabrics. Combine crochet with linen or burlap runners for a rustic cottage look. Add lace trims or embroidered edged for extra elegance. Care tips. Wash gently by hand or on a delicate cycle. Block the finished piece to keep it shape and even edged. Stir flat or roll to prevent creases or damage. Mix large and small motifs. Combine larger central motifs with smaller surrounding ones for a visually balanced design. Works beautifully for round or rectangular tables. Personalization. Add in details, symbols, or motifs that reflect your personality. Great for gifts or heirloom pieces. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!